Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You're looking at 10-ounce gold coins. We have a couple of selections here, the 10-ounce gold Tiger from 2022 this year, and various years of the Australian nugget coin, the red kangaroo coin from the Perth Mint. And we also have one more that's on special as well. We just don't have any in the Melbourne store, but we have them in the Brisbane store. And this is the 2021 10-ounce gold Lunar Ox as well. Now, if you were to purchase one online and you wanted to pick up from Melbourne, that's totally okay because we'll just get it sent down from Brisbane. So you can buy the Ox here in Melbourne. You might just have to wait a little bit before it's in the store to collect. But why are we doing these? Well, we've got a bunch and we want to get rid of them, and we thought we'd offer them at a little special for you. And don't forget, we have the Lunar Rabbit, the 2023 Lunar Rabbit series in the gold and the silver coming into the store very soon. They're going to be available for ordering, not available for pickup, but available from ordering from Monday the 17th of October, the silver and the gold as far as I'm aware. But we have the Tiger here. We want to get rid of these, so we've got a few of these, we've got a few of these. Again, various years. You don't get to choose the particular year that you want, but this happens to be a 2009. And as I said, we've got some 2021 Oxes too. So what is the deal? I'll tell you right now, we are knocking $100 off per coin. Doesn't matter whether it's the Tiger or a random year kangaroo coin or the Ox. $100 off per coin for the next 24 hours until the end of business, Queensland time, so 4 p.m. Queensland time, because Melbourne here we're actually 1 hour ahead. We're 1 hour in the future, so we're basing it on Queensland time, 4 p.m. that is. So if you haven't seen Perth Mint gold coins before, they're just stunning. This is the 2022 Lunar Tiger coin. It's really beautiful in the 10 ounce because of the detail that you can see. Of course, the Tiger on the reverse, and of course on the obverse, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, may she rest in peace. And right here, the 2009 Australian red kangaroo coin. Again, various years, so you might not get a 2009, but $100 off per coin. I'll put a link below to the individual sale pages for the random year nugget coins, the kangaroo coins there, the 2022 Tigers, and the individual sale page for the 2021 Ox as well. Once again, you can buy the Ox. If you want to collect it in Melbourne, just let us know, give us a little heads up, and then we'll make sure it's down in Melbourne for you to collect. Oh, of course, we do ship out as well, Australia-wide. So you've got it, the special for this week, 10-ounce gold coins from the Perth Mint. Like, share, subscribe. You know what I want you to do. Head over to ainslieBullion.com.au, and as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.